Jai Gurudev. Dear students, today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Products from Animals. You all are aware about the uses of animals in our life. Earlier we were using the animals to carry the loads. Then we started using animals for farming, and we started using animals for different kinds of purposes as mode of transport. We are also using the animals as food. So the animals are playing very important role in our life. And in this chapter we are going to study about the different food products we are getting from different kinds of animals. So first of all, I will discuss about the cattle. Cattle are the animals all who are plant eating animals, who are feeding on grasses. They are cattle, like cow, buffalo, deer. These animals are cattle. And whenever we are talking about cow, the very first thing comes in your mind is that we are getting milk from them. Yes, it is true. All the people who are consuming milk in our daily life, it is good for our health, so we are using milk as one of our food component. They provide us, cattle provide us with nutritional dairy products like milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, and yes, your favorite ice creams. There are other dairy products which we are getting from cattle, that is cottage cheese, whey, cream cheese, and condensed milk. Condensed milk, many times your mother would be using in preparing different food, like if you are eating the paneer recipes, if you are having the kheer, a certain kind of milk is used. It is coming in can. There are other dairy products which we are using for the cooking and baking purpose in our food. They contains one of the important element, that is calcium. Calcium is very important to strengthen our bones. We get our bones strong if we consume this milk, paneer, cheese, curd in our diet. So this milk product or the dairy products are important to consume. Other than these dairy products, we are getting different products from the cattle. It happens that sometimes after that cow or buffalo or whatever the animal we are getting the milk and other dairy products, they get old, they get died, then their body parts are also used for different purposes. The first thing is the tallow. Now what is tallow? You must be listening this word first time. So you can see the picture, you can see the square cubes. This is actually the fats. It is the fat which is obtained from the organs of the cattle, especially kidneys. And these fats are utilized in the preparation of wax papers you must be using in your art and craft drawing. So wax papers, crayons, paints, then rubber, lubricants. What are lubricants? These are the oil which are used in the machinery for the free flow of that machine parts. We are using the lubricants. Those oils are also sometimes some oils are prepared from the tallow of animals. Candles, in most of the candles, soaps, lipsticks which ladies are using, shaving creams used by men, and other cosmetic products which is beauty products we can say, used for makeup purpose. It is having tallow, that fats of the animals. Now another byproduct is the gelatin. We have seen that tallow is the fat which we get from the animal body. Now gelatin is a protein. It is obtained by boiling the skin. I told you when the animals get died, so their body can be used in it. So it is obtained gelatin. They are getting the gelatin by boiling the skin of animals. Tendons you must have learned in class 4th. It is the muscles or the cords between the bones. So the tendons, ligaments and bones of cattle, they are boiled in water. You can see in the picture also, this is shown. It is boiled in the water and the product we get is the gelatin. Now that gelatin is used for what? You can see the shampoos, face masks, cosmetic products, and even in your food also this gelatin is used. Not in all kinds of fruit. Some foods they are using the gelatin of animal, but gelatin is also obtained from one of the plant product, that is agar agar, which is not mentioned here, so we will skip it. We are talking about the animal products only. So the gelatin which we are using in the food is used in jelly. You are eating it by taking very much interest and taste. So yes, your jellies, some of the jellies are having that gelatins obtained from the animal skin. Puddings and the candies which you are using eating very interestingly also contains the gelatin of animals. Now another byproduct is the leather. It is very much common in our house. We are using leathers. You are wearing, in our school we are not wearing these leather shoes. We are wearing the canvas shoes because it is like we don't want to kill animal for that purposes. That's why in our school we are using the canvas shoes. So here it is shown that you are wearing many products which you get from the animal skin, because this leather is obtained from the hides of animals. Hides means skin. So when the animals are dying, or sometimes people are killing them, slaughtering them to get the leather. So leather is obtained from the skin of animals, and there are various products which we get from leather, that are wallets, purses, shoes, car upholsteries and the belts. All these products are made of leathers. Yes, the leather is not only made from the cattle skin. Even leather can be made from the skin of pigs, sheep, goats and even alligators. So we should avoid using leather very much in our life, because somewhere people are killing the animals to get the leather. Now we are moving to another animal. Those are poultry animals. So the poultry animals are the animals which are giving us meat and egg. There are other uses that we also study in it. So the poultry meat, mainly the meat from the chickens, and those chickens they are used as meat by different non-vegetarians, and those meat come in like nuggets, boneless, roasted or fried forms. Different forms of these food is available in the market. Eggs. Many of us are consuming eggs in our food, and one of the balanced diet and the source of protein is egg. So eggs from different species like chickens, ducks, turkey and geese we are consuming. The eggs from all three of these species like turkey, geese, duck, because you must be consuming the egg of chicken. So the egg of turkey, geese, they are also safe to eat, and they are sometimes larger in size or different color than the traditional chicken eggs. Sometimes they are brown in color. We are also using the feathers of ducks and geese. I'm not talking about the chicken, but the ducks and geese, they are the poultry animals, and their feathers are also used for the stuffing in jackets and pillows. The jackets you are wearing during the winter season, that jacket sometimes coming with the furs. So those furs may be actually of the feathers obtained from the ducks and geese. Even some of the pillows are also stuffed with the feathers of ducks and geese. So the poultry animals are used as meat, means one of the food, and eggs, and their feathers are also used for the stuffing of jackets and pillows. Now we are talking about the sea animals. Sea animals, whenever we talk about the sea animals, the first animal comes in your mind is the fish, and we get the sea animals from oceans, rivers and streams. They are very nutritious. The people who are consuming the sea animals as food, it is very nutritious, full of proteins. Fish, the eggs of fish called caviar, and it is used widely as food. Even in medicines also it is useful. Fish oils, they are the products of fish and they help to improve mental health. I told you the products from the fish are also used in medicinal purpose. So it helps to improve mental health, it decreases the risk of cancer, and it improves the heart health. So one who is using the fish and the fish oils, that those people are less prone to the heart diseases, and if the risk of cancer is there, that is also decreased in them. There are some other sea animals which are used as food are shrimp, squid, lobsters, prawns and crab. So the people who are consuming the sea animals or non-vegetarians, they are using or consuming these animals as food. You can see in the picture, lobster is there, crab, these animals, even whale, the oil from the whale is also used by people for medicinal purpose, for cosmetic purpose, that is also used by us. So we are somewhere we are so much not so much hard for the animals if we are slaughtering them, if we are killing them for our benefit. Now we will move to next animal, that is sheep. Yes, you are very well aware about the wool which you are wearing is coming from the sheep, but we will discuss about various products which we get from sheep. You can consume the milk of sheep. Yes, many of you are not aware about that the milk of sheep can be consumed. The people who are having the sheep, they are consuming the milk of sheep. Even the cheese and yogurt are also prepared from the milk of sheep. Some people are slaughtering the sheep to have the meat of it, and that meat is consumed in the form of lamb. The meat of sheep is called lamb, and it is not consumed in India but in some parts of Europe, Australia and New Zealand. Wool, yes, you are very much aware about that. The wool we are getting from the sheep. You are having woolen shirts, socks, sweaters, even the yarn for knitting. Your mother must be knitting, making sweaters for you. So that yarn is also that is yarn, wool that we are getting from the sheep. Even the tennis ball covers are also made of wool, and that we get from the sheep. Now their skins, hides of the sheep is also when are turned into leather clothings and shoes. I told you that leather is not only we are getting from cattle but other animals like sheep, goats and pigs, even alligators. So the skin of sheep is also used to make the leather products. Now the bones, hooves and horns, these parts of the sheep are also used in producing gelatin. I talked you what is gelatin, so you must be aware it is a protein which we are getting from the animal body. So the gelatin, tape, brushes and pet food, the pet which you are having, their food ingredients are also having the parts of these bones, hooves and horns of the sheep. So these animals are not benefiting us by giving their products only, but when they get died, or sometimes people are killing them to get these kind of other products other than the foods. So children, in this class we have discussed only cattle, poultry animals, sea animals and sheep. Rest of the animals we will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.